As the morning light spreads over the city, these elementary school students start their day.
हम अहमदी बच्चे हैं, कुछ करके दिखा देंगे, शैतान की हुकूमत को दुनिया से मिटा।
Here, the day does not just start with the ring of a bell. It begins with a sense of purpose. Every morning, their journey of learning starts with the name of their creator, Allah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
This is not just any school. This is Ahmadiyya Muslim School, where education meets faith and values guide learning. At the heart of this mission is the wisdom of our beloved Khalifa, Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad, may Allah be his helper, the head of the worldwide Ahmadiyya Muslim community.
The Holy Quran itself has signified the importance of education by teaching the prayer, "O my Lord, increase me in knowledge." Since it was founded in 1889, the Ahmadiyya Muslim community has always promoted education amongst its members.
His words inspire and guide the vision of the Ahmadiyya schools, emphasizing excellence in both religious and secular education. The establishment of the Sanctuary of Learning traces back to a pivotal year in Ontario's educational landscape.
The ongoing debate over Ontario's sex ed curriculum heated up again today.
These parents say their kids will not return to class next week.
Not because of labor problems, but because they're still angry and opposed to the province's sex education curriculum.
Respect all the religions, all the values, all the cultures.
And many parents are promising to keep their kids home this fall unless changes to this curriculum are made.
On February 23, 2015, Ontario introduced a revised sex ed curriculum that sparked widespread debate and concern among parents and communities.
In 2015, the Ontario Ministry of Education introduced an updated